Pastilan.
Ito.
So, what do you want? We need to check the enemy base. Okay, but you go. Kill you if you laugh. Okay, but the Germans is fully completed. But there's one thing we need. What one thing? Missile and nukes. Okay. Then cut it. Okay, sir. Going there. Done, sir. Okay, now what? Now we need to go to enemy base. Okay. Okay. Go there already with your fans. Kill you again. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. What you eating? Gonna tell Captain. Okay. Yes, sir. We need to go to enemy base. Okay, bro. Chill. I'm chill. Okay. Enemy star. Okay, what's that? Huh? Oh my god, I almost seen it. I think it's just an imagination.
Follow natin, agad din sila nag-online mga idol.
Check here.
Sa album ng boyfriend. Nagkakagura, nagpo-florin pre. Ito naman yung account ng boyfriend, guys. Nakaabatan din yung girlfriend niya. Sana all talaga, hindi nagbibiro, guys. Tatlo ba, Hayabusa, Inling po. Sa Metropolitan pa yan, guys. Tapos, ang palaro talaga, sa pag nagawa yung 25 kills, 1,000. Pag nagawa yung 30 assists, 3,100. Naka-open mic muna natin yung dalaw, guys. Sabi ng babae, dito siya maka-open mic. Pero yung boyfriend, naka-open mic, guys.
Hello po.
So, hindi po maka-open mic yung above, guys. Kasi baka sa cellphone or sa data, no? So, excuse na siguro. So, pina-invite ko sila ng dalawa.
Oh my.
Patay tayo na ito. Parang nag-invite ng above.
Okay.
Itong isa, above
Okay,
din yata. Hindi, parang
Okay,
people
then
lang din yung
what?
Ang jowa rin pala yung
Okay,
invite nila.
we're
Guys,
firing
kailangan kasi
after
fight
this.
Guys, kasi namitik na ako. So, sabi ko dito, guys, pag computer
Okay.
kalaban, uulit.
When I say fire, okay?
Respect na din, no? Hindi naman natin sila pwedeng...
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sa challenge. Pagka pinilit natin
Okay.
sa open mic.
You go into tower.
Ito, mukhang dalawa.
Roger that, sir. You will be inside the tank, okay? Yes, sir. You will be in the.
Sabay pa yatang gagawin par.
You will be the.
Swerte na magjowa na to, guys.
Fighter jet.
Dapat sa gantong kalaban.
Okay, sir. Now get to work. Going inside.
10 assists, 7 kills. Huwag mo KS. Ayan, mukhang mag-aaway pa. Sabi ng boy ko, huwag mo daw KS. Patay tayo, guys. Nakapit tayo ng Roger. So, mukhang hindi naman computer ang kalaban, pre. Isipin mo, may naka-affinity yung computer pa. Wala naman, di ba? Kaya, tignan mo yung Roger. Kumama yung ulti. Ayun, parang ikot na sila ng ikot, men. Wala, talagang ganun. Itong mag-job, guys.
Going inside too. Hey. What? You so. I forgot. You are going to be in the helicopter, okay? Going inside.
Para sa inyo talaga to, mga idol, no? Wala tayong magagawa, guys, pag nagawa nila ito ngayon. Ito talaga ang sana all pre. So dito, buhay sana yung Harley, kaso ng speaker ako, naabot ng bigla. Lalapit na, guys. 21 kills na po, 17 assist na rin. Nakakuha ulit ko, naka-double kill pa nga po yung Harley. So isa na lang po, secured na.